Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 306. And if we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 2 here, so this is our 6. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 6, 9. For this row now, we're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got the 1 here, so 8. That makes this our 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 5 here, so 6, 5. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. For this row now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 3, up 1 and 3 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 8, 1. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.